Hey everyone, Hannah here from Sheet Leveler. Today I'll show you how to clear or completely remove filters in Google Sheets. If your data looks like rows are missing, a filter is usually the reason. Here is our sample data. Now let's say you turn on a filter and only show complete. Suddenly, some rows disappear. They're not deleted, just filtered out. Method 1. Clear a column filter. Keep filter on. If you just want to show all rows again, click the filter icon in the column header. Click Select All. Click OK. Now all rows are visible again, but filtering stays enabled. Method 2. Turn off the entire filter. If you want to remove filtering completely, click Data, Remove Filter. The filter icons disappear and all rows return. Method 3. If you're using a filter view, sometimes it's not a regular filter, it's a filter view. If you see a dark bar at the top, click the X on the right side of that bar to exit the filter view. Or go to Data, Filter Views, None. How to tell if a filter is on? Look for funnel icons in the column headers, missing rows, a dark filter view bar at the top. Important filtering information. Hides rows. Does not delete data. If rows disappear, always check for filters first. That's how you clear or remove filters in Google Sheets. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more sheet tips.